All right, example 3, some more adding and subtracting. But in this example, I see the square root of 28 minus the square root of 175 plus the square root of 63. Now keep in mind, in order to add or subtract radicals, the index needs to be the same and the radicand. In this case, all of my radicands are different. But I do notice something, that the square root of 28, I know I can simplify because 28 is 7 times 4. And I can square root the 4 to get 2 square root of 7. Now, maybe I can do that same process for these other radicals, and then maybe I will actually be able to add or subtract. Let's try. The 175 is 25 times 7, and in this case, I can square root the 25. I get 5 square root of 7. All right, and then the 63, well, 63 is 9 times 7. I can square root the 9 to get 3. 3 square root of 7. All right, so after that simplifying, look what we have. I have a square root with each, so the index is the same. And I also have a 7 underneath. 7 is my radicand. So because my index and my radicand are the same, now we can simplify here. 2 minus 5 is negative 3, plus 3 is 0, radical 7, which is just 0. Okay, let's try another one. For b here, let's do the cube root of 250 plus the cube root of 54 minus the cube root of 16. Again, I'm in the position where I have a cube root. The index is the same for all of these, but my radicands are all different. So again, let's see if we can simplify these and go from there. If you look at your power table can definitely help you simplify some of these because they're cube roots. I want to see what numbers to the third power go into 250, for example. And 250 is 125 times 2. And the cube root of 125 is 5. Let's see if we can do anything else. Cube root of 54, well, some of your perfect cubes are 8, which doesn't go into 54, but 27 does. 27 times 2. The cube root of 27 is 3, cube root 2. And then 16 is 8 times 2. And the cube root of 8 is 2. 2 cube root 2. After our simplifying here, again, my index is all the same, cube root for everything, and I have 2 underneath my radical. So I can do 5 plus 3 is 8, minus 2 is 6, cube root 2, and that is my answer, 6 cube root 2.